Commander Morning. Ngisakhamuzi saseThekwini ubaba uNgcobo lo. Isakhamuzi saseThekwini. But ngifuna ukusho bafowethu ukuthi kumbe eThekwini. Whoever that is coming to Durban must understand ukuthi kumbe eThekwini. Whoever that is in Durban ofisa ukuphuma ngemoto uma kungajahekile mana, don't go anywhere. Stay at home because it's dangerous. Even the people abaye emasontweni, I would recommend to stay at home and pray at home and pray as a families at home. Bafowethu, whoever that is going to work, please amatekisi akabe careful bakwethu ngespeed emgaqweni ngoba today is the day where all tragedies will take place. Bafowethu siyacela even bafowethu abahlezi emadolobheni emafletini, be careful and check your surroundings because lezi zemvula zivele idiliza umhlabathi uthola ukuthi usuwa nendlu kungafanele. Check your surroundings mawubona ukuthi you are staying in a danger zone, please move yourself from that danger zone because it's dangerous out there. Bafowethu akuve kubuhlungu ukubona iTheku njengoba linje. Siyazi ukuthi since the municipality taking over we-ANC eThekwini, ama-drains awaklinwa and ngiyacabanga ukuthi sekufanele manje ukuthi sifake amacala against umasipala weTheku. Njengoba kunjena nje siyazi kunabantu abazofa, siyazi kunabantu abazoba phephuka elwa izindlu, azodeleka imigodi, kuzokwenzeka yonke into because of abantu abangakwazi ukuphatha iTheku. Iy'moto emgwaqweni ezinye izophelelwa zizocima because amadamu too much emgwaqweni bafowethu, iy'moto zizomuka, ama-bridge azowa. Yabona lento bafowethu iyasilimaza kakhulu lento yokubuka izwe lakithi lifa phambi kwethu, lifa liphethwe yithi thina abantu abamnyama engasekho amabhunu azothiwa yiwona befuna kufe thina. Bafowethu, where I'm sitting today, I'm not safe. I want to tell you, where I'm sitting, where I'm staying, where I'm sleeping, is not safe bafowethu South Africa because of that. Ngiyacela-ke bafowethu nonke niphathe kahle today, iy'ngane zingabi uvanzi today, wonke umuntu ongenani uma ngabe kuwukuthi uyabona ukuthi kunenkinga fonela emsebenzini, sikhona sikhulumela abasebenzi sobatshela ukuthi akekho ongayiboni imvula ukuthi kwenzakalani, sikwazi ukuthi sihlenge iy'mpilo zabantu. Ngicela ungabuki umuzi wakho kuphela, buka nokamakhelwane ngoba njengamanje is very dangerous. Njengoba simlana, njengoba ngimlana nje, I'm looking at all over Bluff and you could see that it's raining. It's raining, my comrade. It's raining. Ayidlali futhi nathi. This is my house. Uyabona lento le. It's raining, my comrade. Angazi ukuthi singenza kanjani ukuthi sithi make sure ukuthi si safe nemndeni yethu, but ngiyacela bafowethu, ngiyacela and ngiyacela futhi ukuthi umasipala is time ukuthi kufanele ku remove ama street children, mhlambe la wena wabiza ngamaphara. It's time for ukuthi bamove ngoba indawo abayisebenzisayo iyo le yama drains ukubeka impahla zabo, and lokho kwenza ukuthi sigcina sibe kwisimo esibucayi abanye bengazi ukuthi why sikulesi simo esikuso. And umasipala weTheku bafowethu, it's time ukuthi kade sikhuluma nomasipala weTheku ukuthi ukwazi ukuphucula iy'mpilo zabantu, ungabeka abantu engcupheni, uclean ama-drains. Hayi akwenzeki my comrade, hayi akwenzeki. But-ke siyabonga ukuthi-ke nonke nizwile. Ngiyacela uNkulunkulu anisikekele, ngiyacela uNkulunkulu aniprotecte, ngiyacela uNkulunkulu enze sure ukuthi kule mvula kungafi muntu, kungabhubhi muntu nendlu. Siyakhuleka kuNkulunkulu ukuthi kulesi simo uNkulunkulu anigcine njalo, anilondoloze, nibe safe bafowethu, nibe safe, nibe careful ugade iy'ngane, ugade wonke umuntu ophuma endlini ukuthi uphuma ngasiphi isigaba, siyaphuthuma noma siphuthumi. Uma singaphuthumi uzokwenza lokho nakusasa. Siyabonga, uNkulunkulu anibusise nonke, anigcine, anilondoloze kuze ube phakade. Amen.